na zo menye de na sana zo menye de Kumawood sinitwa no o starting no wakọ akoye de o businessman no na we interested why there obi na adwuma o business na obiara so a o business no obo shokwan de olombakaw and obo shokwan de as much as possible no o de sika kitikiti bi bepetika bebre into no na za businessman no za we nyina ye de won fo ho no ma we expert no won for professionals no tete de nyimpa obochro sene na nkasempo nsam wo baka onye expert no wo fan podo chocho bibiara obo se the machine ya ha de wo bako ntino awaye ka bibi mo yiyew isu nka bibi na yiyew na wo fom bom na waya bobo because one for expert no won tie nika oye ntino na wakakwaye de sinitwa no wada ni business na Kumawood na nkasa no izino no wokofa na wahen cause Nollywood is it na ke inde Nigeria for no but Kumawood izino no wofa na wahen fa bela samwa o chechum ye hwe na yembresi ya
with Kumawood. The mere fact that a gentleman decided to honor the movies that we use indigenous languages in acting. And then his company was called Kumawood and Akobing. And the film festival was Kumawood and Akobing Film Festival. So when the first one was done, the maiden edition was done, the second one was done, and it was televised nationwide via GTV.
Yeah.
That is when it got popular. So, right after that, every movie that came, those movies, Kumawood movies. So, it is not something that the film fraternity decided to name themselves, but it was just that the media, looking for a particular adjective or a name for us, they decided to choose Kumawood.